Welcome, fellow BMW enthusiasts. There's nothing quite like cruising in your Beamer, but a broken air vent fin can really put a damper on the experience. That annoying rattle or the inability to direct airflow exactly where you want it can be a real pain. This guide is here to help you conquer those pesky air vent issues and get your BMW's interior back in tip-top shape. We'll cover common problems, the tools you'll need, and provide clear step-by-step instructions to guide you through the repair process. Don't worry if you're not a seasoned mechanic. We'll use simple language and plenty of images to make every step easy to understand. Whether you're a DIY novice or have a bit more experience under your belt, we'll equip you with the knowledge to tackle those vent repairs like a pro. So grab your tools, put on your favorite work clothes, and let's get those air vents working as smoothly as your BMW's engine. We'll start by identifying the most common air vent problems you might encounter in various BMW models. From there, we'll gather the necessary tools and dive into the repair process, providing detailed instructions and helpful tips along the way. Before we roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty, let's take a moment to diagnose the specific issue plaguing your BMW's air vents. Knowing the root of the problem will help you choose the right repair strategy and ensure a successful fix. One common culprit is broken or loose air vent fins. These are the little blades that direct the airflow inside your car. Over time, they can become brittle and snap off, or the mechanism that controls them can wear out, leaving them stuck or floppy. Another frequent issue is a malfunctioning vent control knob or button. If you're finding it difficult to adjust the direction or intensity of the airflow, the problem might lie with the control mechanism itself. In some cases, the entire air vent assembly might need to be removed and replaced. This is usually necessary if the vent housing is damaged or if internal components have failed beyond repair. Whatever the issue, don't despair. We'll guide you through each repair scenario and provide clear instructions to help you get your BMW's air vents functioning flawlessly once again. Now that we've identified the usual suspects behind troublesome air vents, it's time to gather our arsenal of tools. Don't worry, you won't need a garage full of specialized equipment to tackle these repairs. Most of the tools required are common household items or readily available at your local auto parts store. Here's a handy list of what you'll likely need. A trim removal tool set. This inexpensive set will be your best friend when it comes to prying off interior trim pieces without causing damage. A flathead screwdriver, useful for gently prying open clips and releasing stubborn vent components. A Phillips head screwdriver, essential for removing screws that secure the vent assembly. Needle nose pliers, perfect for reaching into tight spaces and manipulating small parts. A flashlight or headlamp provides invaluable illumination in the shadowy depths of your BMW's dashboard. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to tackle most air vent repairs with confidence. Remember, patience and a gentle touch are key to avoiding any mishaps along the way. Section 4. Step-by-step solutions. Fixing those frustrating fins. With our tools prepped and ready, let's dive into BMW air vent repair. We'll cover common issues and provide clear, step-by-step instructions. Replacing broken air vent fins. Locate the broken fin and assess the damage. Identify the specific fin that needs replacing. If it's loose, reattach it. If broken, replace it. Pry off the surrounding trim and remove the vent assembly. Replace the broken fin or the entire assembly. Reinstall the vent assembly and reattach the trim. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced a broken air vent fin. Section 5. Beyond the fins, resources for tricky repairs. While this guide has covered the basics of BMW air vent repair, some situations might require more in-depth knowledge or specialized tools. Fear not, there's a wealth of resources available to assist you with more complex repairs. Online forums and communities. Websites like Bimmerpost and BMW forums are treasure troves of information. You'll find detailed repair threads, helpful tips from fellow BMW owners, and even video tutorials for specific models and issues. Repair manuals. Investing in a quality repair manual specific to your BMW model can be invaluable. These manuals provide comprehensive diagrams, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step instructions for a wide range of repairs. Remember, tackling DIY repairs can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to know your limits. If you're ever unsure about a particular step or encounter a problem you can't solve, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a qualified BMW mechanic.